Hey, what's up guys, WRG in a video. Today we're going to be going over my EDC lightweight edition. So everyone has those days where you want to carry a little bit lighter, and this is for those guys and for those days. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and if you guys like these videos, please like, share, subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so going from right to left, first thing you'll see here is my pocket knife, and this is a SOG Speckly 2. Awesome blade. It's an automatic knife, so it deploys very quickly, and it's very thin and conceals also very well in your pocket. Show you guys a quick demo of how it deploys. So just have it here, need it, up, and then press. So not the quickest, but not too slow either. It might be a little faster if I had maybe like a lanyard on it, which it does have a lanyard hole, so it might be an option to do for the future. You'll also notice I have a little bit of tape on it, and that's because it does get stuck in your pocket if you don't have that tape there between the S and the clip. Next up is my concealed carry, which is my Glock 43. I think this is a great lightweight option that you guys should consider. It's a single stack 9mm, and it does have a few good competition out on the market now, like the SIG P365, which I'm actually really interested in. But for now, you know, I have the Glock 43. I modified it so I could carry slightly more rounds. Usually, if you guys are not familiar, I carry 6 rounds in the magazine plus 1 in the chamber, and I added a base plate that gives it +2, so I got 8 plus 1 in the chamber, which is really not bad. I use a multi-holster for it. It has very good retention, doesn't fall out, and also has a very nice clip that works. I know a lot of people are against clips and they rather do belt loops, which is fine, but for me, I've never had any issues with this clip, and it's pretty very easy, as you can see, to take in and out of my pants, so that's pretty convenient. Next up, you'll see on my left hand side here I have pepper spray, also very quick to deploy, and you can see it has a flip cap on top, which I think is really cool. Very quick and easy, intuitive. You don't have to do any twisting or anything odd. It's just you flip up and you use. It's enough to protect your pocket, but then quick enough to use if you need to. So you definitely have to find that balance. The clip here is also pretty well designed, and it's very lightweight and fits in your pocket pretty easily. I think it's always good to have a non-lethal option, and this is the one I choose, which is the Mark 6 by Sabre. Again, if you guys want to see how it deploys, it's very quick. The way I do it is here, up, and then in. So it has these finger grooves here that give you really good grip, and it's very intuitive. You just point and shoot. Next up is my keys. Now this might seem kind of boring, but a cool thing about my keys is this little thing on top. And this is a 128GB flash drive, super tiny, very convenient. I could hold all kinds of stuff in here, so pretty good idea. I think everyone should have that. Also, if you guys are interested in any of these things, I'll leave links below so you guys can check them out. I think it was like 40 or 50 bucks on Amazon. 128GB this size, pretty cool. Okay, next up guys, I have my light. This is the S1 Baton by Olight. This is a great lightweight version if you guys want to carry it. It's 600 lumens in a tiny package, and it's very convenient. It has a magnetic tail cap, so you can like put it anywhere you want, and it should stick. Also, the tail cap is reversible. I did a full review on it. If you guys want to check that out, you're welcome to. And also, imagine 600 lumens in this tiny package. Pretty cool. For my watch, I carry the Rangeman, and this has been my EDC watch for a while now. It's an awesome watch. I don't really have a lighter weight watch right now, so this is pretty much all I got in terms of carrying my watch. But it's awesome, a little bulky, but does the trick. Alright, and then lastly I have my Oakley glasses, which are very useful if you live in Florida. I have them polarized, which is pretty cool. Makes a big difference. Use it pretty much for everything I do out here. So that's pretty much it. If you guys like these videos, please like, share, subscribe. And thanks for watching guys. WRG out.